In the book Hazrat Ahmad Promised Messiah, written by Promised Messiah's promised son, Hazrat Khalifa II, it is said when Promised Messiah's brother died, elder brother died, he gave to his wife part of property, although she did not have right to that because they did not have children. And it said that Promised Messiah was against adoption of children, but he gave it to make her please and her adopted son. We know that Ahmadis, also Muslims, we adopt children. Will Huzur please give some more light what is really meant by this, that he, Promised Messiah was against this?
Have you understood the question?
Vaguely, no.
Shall I repeat?
Yeah.
The question, just tell us what you want to find out. Adoption?
About adoption of children, because it said
And
Promised Messiah
inheritance
was against.
involved in that?
About adoption of children,
That's right.
because it said Promised
There is-
Messiah was
there is
against that.
no, the question of adoption should not be raised with reference to the Promised Messiah. It should be raised with the reference to Hazrat Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. He had adopted a son, but that son did not inherit him. Remember this. So this is the fundamental point. If you adopt somebody, you can only will in his favor up to 1/3 of your property and no more. But it's like making a will in favor of anybody. But by right, he would not inherit. Is the son, his father, so-called father, who had adopted him. Right? Does this answer your query or not?
I've been translating this book, so I need this explanation to put under.
That's right, yes.
Underneath.